Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And what a day it's been. It's been moving day in the world of interest rates, and unfortunately they're not looking good. As expected, rates have increased. So here we go. Let me share it with you. So these are the fixed rates that I can get with most of the main banks at the moment, as long as you've got a 20% deposit or equity. Look at those rates, the 6 months, look at that spread, 6 months fixed, 4.49 to 4.79. The 1 year rate, some banks are still offering 4.59, the highest now is 4.99. Last week, that was the 2 year rate, 4.99. Look at the 18-month rate, 4.99 to 5.29. The 2 year rate, there is still a bank offering 4.99, while I've seen the spread now from the others, 5.09, 5.19, and one of the big banks is now 5.39. So let's talk about that 2 year rate for a second, because I think that 2 year rate with one of the banks at 5.39, that bank is an outlier. So what will happen is either they will drop to 5.19 or 5.09 to meet the market, or the market may go up and come to that 5.39. So yeah, there's a bit of a story behind that 2 year rate. And it's not good, because last week I could get 4.99 pretty much everywhere. The 3 year rate, not that I've got anyone fixing for this long, but I'll share it, 5.29 to 5.49. So there's a spread now across all the banks with their various rates, and they're going up. That's it. So what does this tell me? Well, it tells me that I think that the OCR on the 2nd of September, 2nd of September, I think is likely to go up, because the banks have moved up quite a lot from the last one that we had in July. Even though unemployment is up, you would think that the Reserve Bank would hold, and they may hold when they meet. But from what I'm seeing here, banks are factoring in an increase in the OCR, or just that their costs have gone up from getting money. So now they're passing that on to us. They have been creeping up for a while. I've been waiting for them to go up, and unfortunately today was the day. So there you are. If you've got a fixed mortgage coming up and you were thinking of getting that 4.99 for 2 years or 4.59 for 1 year, you're probably out of luck now. So not much we can do. We can try, but yeah, if you wanted that 2 year rate of 4.99, if it's still showing on your internet banking and you've been thinking and you've got that advice, you know, now's the time to pull the trigger on that, because I don't think those rates of 4.59 for 1 year and 4.99 for 2 years will be around for much more. So that's the update, guys. We know rates are going up, and it started to continue. And what have I been seeing this week? We've had a few clients put in offers. We'll find out later today or tomorrow if they've had them accepted. The phone's been a little bit quiet this week, so just a few more new clients, a few new investors. So that's been fun to see, some investors coming in looking to buy, and a couple of calls from Australia. So interesting to see some Aussies potentially looking. But not much from first home buyers this week. I do think that'll change as more listings come on, as people start doing their numbers, as we get out of this winter slumber that we've been in. Things will pick up, and depending on what the listings are looking like at spring, there'll be a few people looking to buy their property, their first home this year. So if you've been thinking if that's you, definitely get in touch, because it's a good time to chat, get you pre-approved, so you're ready to buy once the listings start coming on towards the end of this month. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. Hopefully that was useful. Sorry to depress you, but they are the new rates. They're not that flash, but hey, no one's surprised. If you've been watching my channel for a while, we knew this was going to happen, and the day's today. If I hear of any changes, you'll be the first to know. In the meantime, God bless. Thank you for watching, and watch tomorrow. Should have something fun for you all. Cheers.